Artificial intelligence race latest news. Chinese startup Moonshot AI has launched Kimi K3, an advanced AI model that is being compared with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude, intensifying the global AI race between China and the United States. Artificial intelligence models, closed vs open weight. Modern large language models, LLMs, can broadly be classified into closed, proprietary, models and open weight models based on how much of their underlying technology is made publicly available. Closed, proprietary, models. Closed models are developed and controlled by private companies. Their model parameters, source code, and training methods are not publicly released. Key characteristics include: access is usually provided through APIs or subscription services. Model parameters remain confidential. Companies retain full commercial control. Generally considered easier to secure and monetize. Examples include OpenAI's GPT models, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini. Open-weight models. An open-weight model allows developers to download and use the model's trained parameters, weights, while the company may still retain parts of the training code or data sets. Unlike fully open-source software, open-weight models do not necessarily disclose every component used to build the model. Advantages include: greater customization by developers, faster innovation through community contributions, wider adoption across industries, lower deployment costs. However, they also raise concerns regarding misuse by malicious actors, security risks, intellectual property protection, commercial monetization. Many Chinese AI companies have increasingly adopted the open-weight approach to rapidly expand their developer ecosystem. About Kimi K3. Kimi K3 is the latest AI model developed by Moonshot AI, a Chinese startup founded in 2023 by Yang Zilin, a graduate of Tsinghua University and Carnegie Mellon University. According to the company, Kimi K3 is among the world's largest open-weight AI models, containing approximately 2.8 trillion parameters. In AI systems, parameters are the numerical values learned during training that determine how the model processes information and generates responses. A larger number of parameters generally reflects greater computational investment, although model performance also depends on factors such as data quality, architecture, and training techniques. Kimi K3 offers capabilities across multiple domains, including coding assistance, financial consulting, deep research, video editing, general conversational AI. Following its launch, demand reportedly surged to such an extent that Moonshot AI temporarily paused new user registrations. Significance of Kimi K3: narrowing the technological gap. Earlier, the release of DeepSeek R1 in January 2025 challenged the perception that the United States held an unassailable lead in frontier AI models. The launch of Kimi K3 further reinforces the view that Chinese AI companies are rapidly closing the performance gap with leading American models such as ChatGPT and Claude. Experts note that Chinese AI models are no longer isolated successes but are becoming increasingly competitive across multiple application areas, strengthening China's AI ecosystem. Unlike many American companies that rely on proprietary models, several Chinese AI firms have adopted open-weight models as a strategic choice. According to analysts, this approach helps Chinese companies reach developers more quickly, build larger software ecosystems, encourage third-party innovation, expand adoption despite limited access to global cloud infrastructure. The strategy aligns with China's broader objective of accelerating AI adoption across manufacturing, public administration, and smaller enterprises. The open-weight strategy. Distribution strategy. Experts argue that open-weight models function primarily as a distribution strategy. Since leading US firms already possess strong cloud infrastructure and enterprise customer bases, Chinese firms use open-weight releases to attract developers and encourage widespread adoption of their platforms. Response to technology restrictions. Chinese AI developers continue to face restrictions on access to advanced semiconductor chips because of US export controls, particularly on high-end AI chips produced by companies such as NVIDIA. These restrictions have encouraged Chinese firms to pursue alternative strategies centered on efficient models and broader developer participation. Commercial monetization. Kimi K3 follows a custom licensing model. While most developers can access the model's weights, large commercial users are required to enter into licensing agreements with Moonshot AI. This hybrid approach seeks to balance openness with commercial sustainability. AI and the US-China technology rivalry. The emergence of Kimi K3 reflects the broader technological competition between China and the United States. Alongside competition over advanced semiconductor chips and AI infrastructure, both countries are increasingly seeking leadership in AI governance and innovation. China recently supported the establishment of the World AI Cooperation Organization, with President Xi Jinping advocating international cooperation in AI development rather than dominance by a single country. At the same time, debates within the United States have intensified regarding whether American firms should move towards more open AI models. A recent open letter supported by industry leaders, including Microsoft's Satya Nadella, NVIDIA's Jensen Huang, and OpenAI, argued that open-weight AI could strengthen innovation and maintain American technological leadership. However, experts caution that a genuine shift would require major U.S. companies to consistently release competitive open-weight models rather than relying primarily on proprietary systems. Concerns and challenges. Despite its technological progress, Kimi K3 has also become the center of controversy. Anthropic has accused Moonshot AI of unlawfully extracting capabilities from its Claude model. A U.S. government official described such practices as unfair competition. In response, China's Commerce Ministry accused the United States of pursuing AI hegemonism. These developments highlight the growing intersection of artificial intelligence, intellectual property rights, trade policy, and national security.
Thank you for watching. Helps you in your UPSC journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more guidance and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Keep studying hard and good luck.